neighbors of friends and neighbors of families. One heart and one beat, one glorious sound in our super city. It's the time of the year when we come as one and we stand together. And this time it'll be bigger and brighter, better than ever. Do you hear the voice of the people? Do you feel the beat of